This is complete body kit for LC200 to change to LC300 design. This is complete exterior body parts with hood, trunk, bumpers, fenders. See, trunk door panel, additional piece, fender piece, radiator trims, upper bumper pieces, fender pieces, radiator grill. You can have it with original logos as well. This is a headlight and a tail light with LED ballast. And also we have complete interior kit, guys. See, we have beige and black with steering wheel, center console. This is the center console with the DVD, good quality one. Silver trims, this is additional pieces. Door seal if you like, beige or black. Wooden grain panels. This is the fog lamp, LED type of course we are giving. This is a fog lamp. Headlights already equipped with computers. Computers are included. These are the connectors. And this is the center console for the rear. AC controls for the backside. Leather type. This is upper speaker cover for the dashboard. Even the door handles for the interior also included, guys. All the wiring. This is one motor here. All right, another wires. Plenty of wires, guys. Plenty of wires for connection. Steering wheel. See, wood grain panel. We have in 3-4 different kinds. Okay. See, this is the center controls. This is for the left and the right. That's it. Okay, guys. Leather type we have with beige or black according to your interior color. Wood grain panels, not just for the center console but also for the side trims, illuminated or without illumination. AC ducts, AC vents, number plate holders, cup holders. Steering wheel complete with airbag equipped already together. Okay. These are for the rear windows, covers. These are for the doors, panels, new type. So guys, mirrors and the side step also included in this package. This is complete package. We have without mirror and side step or with mirror and side step. So just tell the option that you are looking for and we'll give you the right one. Fenders and cover for the trunk door to make the stop light more narrow. All right, bumpers. This is the splash guards for the tire around the wheels. Rear bumper has a tow hook option or a normal option. All right, guys, that's the package. Chrome trims are included. All the brackets, lifter shocks for the hood, all the metal surrounding parts which need to do the conversion, even the sponge. This is bumper grills. This is trim for the rear bumper, I guess this one. This is, and the sponge for the, you need it for the front bumper in order not to shake. Mud flaps, front and rear. Small grills for the bumper, for the rear. Vents for the front bumper. All the controls, see, for the tail lights, headlights. So that's the most complete package, guys. That's the most complete one. Here we go. Okay, that's the package. Wheel rim set for Land Cruiser R20. You can see this is specially designed. It's not flat one. You can see it has a shape, so it's like it should be. You can have with the genuine logos or without logos. This is the set. Machined front, black from inside. You can have it gray finish from inside, silver finish, light gray or black. The black one is mostly preferred. These are the rims.